Am I Pretty AI is a brand new AI software that's gaining a lot of attention. But before you jump in, let's break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. Is it truly the best just released AI software, or is it just another overhyped tool? Let's dive in. First, this software uses advanced machine learning algorithms to evaluate your photos and provide feedback on your appearance. It analyzes various features such as facial symmetry, skin tone, and proportions. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just give you a superficial score. It offers personalized suggestions on how to enhance your look based on those features. It's a unique spin on traditional beauty apps, making it stand out in the crowded AI space. Now I know what you're probably thinking. Is this software even accurate? Well, it's trained on a vast data set of real-world images, meaning it's far from random. But the technology isn't perfect, and you might get a different result depending on your lighting or angle. So while it's powerful, don't treat it as an infallible beauty guru. Another thing you should know is that this software is incredibly user-friendly. Even if you have zero experience with AI tools, it's super simple to upload your photo and get feedback in seconds. It's designed for anyone, whether you're a casual user or someone looking for deeper insights into your appearance. The accessibility factor is a huge plus. However, there's one catch. While the feedback is helpful, it's not always 100% reliable. AI software like this, despite its sophistication, can struggle with nuances that a human expert might pick up on, but for the average user, it offers a fun, techie way to explore and experiment with how you look. Let's talk about the value this software provides. It's free to try, and you get instant access to some core features, which is great for anyone who's skeptical about committing to something new. If you like what you see, they do have premium features that unlock even more detailed analysis, but there's no pressure to upgrade. One of the things I really appreciate about Am I Pretty AI is that it doesn't focus on unrealistic beauty standards. It's not just about achieving some idealized version of perfection. Instead, it provides a balanced analysis and allows you to embrace your natural features. This, in my opinion, makes it a refreshing change from the typical apps out there that promote a very narrow standard of beauty. Lastly, something I must mention is the privacy aspect. Your photos are only stored temporarily for the analysis and are deleted after a short period. That's a big win for privacy-conscious users, especially since so many AI-driven apps fail to be transparent in this area. If you're on the fence about whether or not this AI software is right for you, don't worry. You can try it out completely free from the link in the description below. Get started and see how it works for yourself. No strings attached. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've curated a list of the best options for you, and they're all linked in the description. Don't miss out on discovering some truly game-changing software. Trust me, if you're into AI and want to level up your experience, you'll want to check these out. That's it for this review. Make sure to check out the first link below for your free trial, and I'll see you in the next one.